I'm going to show you how to create a text portrait in just 1 minute. This is the picture. After you've gotten the picture, get a text. Let's say this is a text. All right, get a text and change the color of the text to something that you can easily see. Then get a shape. This is shape. Place the shape just at the edge where you have the text. All right, then merge both of them together like this. Merge both of them together, then go over here, go over to erase color, go over to erase color, go over to erase color and click and erase the color of the text, and you would have this. Okay, you would have this, so you can fix it. You can go over here and change the color. All right, this is it. My name is Nia Muda, and I'll see you in another tutorial.